Hi guys, this is Rajesh Singh. Welcome back in online English classes. Today we are going to study very important chapter of English grammar, that is time and tense. Let's get started. Definition. Different forms of verb which tell us in which time the work is done is called tense. There are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each tense has four subdivisions. Present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Future tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Let's get started. Present tense. Definition. A verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. Now first tense of present tense is simple present tense. Its old name is present indefinite tense. Definition. Simple present tense is used to mention simply the time without anything being said about completeness or incompleteness of the action. Principle. The verb of Hindi sentence which ends with ta hai, ti hai, te hain, etc. is known as simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Rules. In this tense, helping verb am is are is not used. Rule 2. Present tense form or V1 is used. Rule 3. S or es is added in the verb of third person singular number. Rule 4. Helping verb do or does is used in negative or interrogative sentence. Now, let's know the structure. Structure for assertive sentence. I, we, you, they, plural number plus present tense form plus object. He, she, it, singular number plus present tense form with s or es plus object. Example. Anjali sings a song. They speak English fluently. Now next, I, we, you, they, plural number plus don't plus present tense form plus object. He, she, it, singular number plus doesn't plus present tense form plus object. Example, we don't play cricket. Rani doesn't sing a song. Now, structure for interrogative sentence. Do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Example, do you speak English? Does she go to school? Now next, structure, that is structure for interrogative negative sentence. Don't oblique doesn't plus subject plus V1 plus object. Example, don't they teach English? Doesn't she come your house? These were examples of interrogative negative. Now next structure, that is structure for question word. What, where, when, why, who, how, plus do oblique does plus subject plus present tense form plus object. Example, why do you speak English? Where does he live? These were examples of simple present tense. Now, next tense is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for an action that is still going on at the time of speaking. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, etc. is known as present continuous tense. Rules: helping verb am is are is used. Next rule: V1 plus ing is used. Structure: I plus m plus V1 plus ing plus object. He oblique she oblique it oblique singular number plus each plus V1 plus ing plus object. We oblique you oblique they oblique plural number plus r plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example: I am speaking English. She is writing a letter. They are watching television. These are examples of present continuous tense. Now next tense, that is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate completed activities in the past and is finished at the time of speaking. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, आ है, ई है, ए हैं, etc. is known as present perfect tense. Rules: helping verb has or have is used. Past participle form or V3 is used. Structure: I, we, you, they, plural number plus have plus V3 plus object. He, she, it, singular number plus has plus V3 plus object. Example: Rahul has composed a poem. We have prepared tea. Now next tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Definition: present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with ता रहा है, ती रहे हैं, ते रहे हैं, etc. is known as present perfect continuous tense. Rules: helping verb has been or have been is used. Next rule: V1 plus ing is used. Since is used before point of time or for is used before period of time. Structure: subject plus has oblique have been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since oblique for plus point of time oblique period of time. Example: Neha has been writing a letter since morning. We have been driving this car for an hour. These were examples of present perfect continuous tense. Now next tense, that is simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to indicate completed activities in the past. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with chuka, chuki, chuke, a, e, etc. is known as simple past tense. Rules: in this tense, helping verb was where is not used. Rule 2: past tense form or V2 is used. In negative or interrogative sentence, did helping verb is used. Structure: subject plus V2 plus object. Example: I saw a movie. They sent me a message. These were examples of simple past tense. Now next tense, that is the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, etc. is known as past continuous tense. Rules: helping verb was or were is used in this tense. V1 plus ing is used. Structure: subject plus was oblique were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example: Alok was singing a song. They were going to Delhi. These were example of past continuous tense. Now next tense, that is past perfect tense. So know the definitions of past perfect tense. The past perfect tense describes an action completed before certain moment in the past. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, आ था, ई थी, ए थे is known as past perfect tense. Rules: helping verb had is used. Next rule: past participle form or V3 is used. Structure: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Example: he had purchased a flat. They had reached Delhi. These were examples of past perfect tense. Guys, there are two types of sentences in past perfect tense. Other types of sentences, that is called double phrase sentences. Subject plus had plus V3 plus before plus subject plus V2. Next, subject plus V2 plus after plus subject plus had plus V3. Next, when plus subject plus V2 plus subject plus had plus V3. Example: the train had started before I reached the station. Next example: the patient died after the doctor had come. Next example: when I reached home, my father had slept. So these were examples of double phrase sentences of past perfect tense. Now next tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Definition: the past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to the time. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with था रहा था, ती रही थी, ते रहे थे, etc. is known as past perfect continuous tense. Rules: helping verb had been is used. Next rule: V1 plus ing is used. Since is used before point of time and for is used before period of time. Structure: subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since oblique for plus point of time oblique period of time. Example: my teacher had been teaching English for an hour. They had been singing a song since Monday. These were examples of past perfect continuous tense. Guys, in this video I have explained present tense and past tense with principle, rules and structures. I have also given examples for each and every structures. Hope you understood well. However, if you have any questions or doubt, you must write in comment box. See you in next video. Bye.